Kids, they need a lot of stuff, and sometimes making sure they have what they need can be tough, but there are people hoping to help. And this afternoon we have Lenore Peterson and Troy Mason with us so that we can learn a little bit more about Swaddlers Ministry. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Okay, first of all, tell me a little bit about Swaddlers Ministry. You've been around for a little while.
Swaddlers has been an outreach ministry of Hampton Park Christian Church for 19 years.
Wow, long time.
Yes.
So what is it that you provide?
We provide used clothing for children newborn through size 60 for families in need around the Northwest Ohio area.
Okay, kind of through that preschool age, maybe getting into kindergarten there.
Yeah.
And we know how quickly kids grow out of clothes, you know, so you have to have something on backup. I feel like you're ready for that next size up all the time, or they get them dirty or they get holes in them, that sort of thing. So you're able to provide that for families. How much do they get? How much are you able to give them?
We're hoping that when we service a family, we are able to provide them 4 pairs of pants, 4 shirts, 4 socks, 4 underwear, a pair of shoes, 2 pajamas. Sometimes we have girls' dresses we're able to provide.
Nice.
But what we'd like to do is to increase the donations that come to us so we can provide more to the kids. Because we know that kids get their clothes dirty. We want them to feel good about what they're wearing. And our goal is to continue getting donations so we can continue the ministry.
Yeah, 4 is great, but 6 or 8.
Right.
But yeah. So you're a community health worker,
Yes,
right?
I am.
So
Yes, I
that
am.
means you work with people, parents and guardians in the community to help make sure that their needs are being met, right?
Yes,
You check in
yes.
on them. What are you seeing in terms of need in our community?
Well, newborns, I don't know what's going on, but a bunch of babies are
lot of
being born
babies.
lately, and there's a break in between time they have their older child, so there's nothing to pass down, so Swaddlers provide clothing, but there's also agencies that would have to provide the other hard stuff, so I'm just excited that I get to volunteer. I have a 3-year-old granddaughter, and I know how fast the kids grow out of these things. I know how expensive they are. And so as a community health worker, what we get to do is walk alongside families and refer them to a resource that's right here in your community. And that is a place of dignity. So I already have a relationship with you. So you don't have to go and find something. Just reach out to your community health worker, and we make the contact with Swaddlers.
Well, that's wonderful because
Yes.
I think a lot of times people they're having a hard time. The last thing they want to do is try to jump through another hoop, so if you can help connect them, that's wonderful. So you need donations then, I'm guessing, if you want to
That's
be able to
correct.
provide more to these families. I got a 6-year-old who grows out of stuff, and I'm like, what do I do with them? I usually pass them down to somebody, but people are always asking us, where can I donate these things? How do they get in contact with you to get those donations to you?
We've provided a number, and I'm hoping you'll put it on the website.
There it is. It's right on the screen.
We'd be glad to meet up to pick up the donation, or we can have it dropped off at the church. Everything we receive, we will make sure gets put to good use and will help us continue to help the community. Last year we helped 497 children.
Wow.
And we've seen that number grow over the last couple of years by the hundreds.
Wow.
So-
Okay, so the need, as you mentioned, is truly there.
Yes.
And as you said, these families who have maybe some older kids, and then, we have a newborn now, and we don't have any clothes. So, yes, this is huge. That number on the screen, let's pop it up one more time, just so you can jot that down if you haven't already. And those newborns, 1, 2, 3, 2Ts, all the way up to preschool age 6T. So if you've got them lying around and you want to put them to good use, make sure you give them a call. Ladies, thank you so much
Thank you for having
all your help.
us.
We would also enjoy having other people volunteer. You do not.
You can donate your time.
You can donate your time. You don't need to be a member of our congregation in order to join the Swaddlers team and help the kids in our area.
So just give a call, and then you can take monetary donations too. Maybe you don't have the clothes, but
Absolutely.
you have the means.
Absolutely.
Ladies, thank you so much for being
Thank you.
here.
Thank you.
Yeah, we appreciate it.